So guys, today I am showing to how to fly an elytra and also how to use an mace in a survival mode. So for this you have to take an end crystal, end pearl, wind charge, firework rocket and mace. So first I will teach you how to make a mace work. First you have to use wind charge like this, then mace, wind charge, then mace, wind charge, then mace, wind charge, then mace, wind charge, then mace. Sorry, wind charge, then mace, wind charge, then mace, wind charge, then mace. So this is how the enemy will get more damage and damage after doing this. So now I will taught you how to use an elytra. First you have to switch into end pearl, throw it quickly, then wind charge. If it does not work, you can do it again. Like sometimes it does not work, not sometimes, many times. So first you have to use an end pearl. पहले आपको एंड पल को ऊपर फेंकना है, देन विंड चार्ज, देन ऊपर आ गया मैं तो फिर ऊपर है, आपको रॉकेट में स्विच करना है, फिर उसके बाद रॉकेट को लॉन्च करना है, तो उससे आप जहाँ चाहोगे वहाँ उड़ सकते हो. मैं आपको लेट मी शो यू. सॉरी. See now how my elytra is working. Very smoothly, so nicely. The first time it did not work because I was late, but now I am able to do very smoothly, and I can go much as I want. And for landing I will teach you. You have to go to empty place, stop there, and you have to do round and round, so you will be able to touch the ground very safely with not losing much HP. It's you can practice it in creative, because there will be no use of that. I was just showing. I will now show you in survival. Go survival, resume game. Here is end pearl, throw, wind charge. Sorry, this time it does not happen. Sorry, this was not happening. अब फेंके. See, you can see my hearts. There is very less hearts from the starting, but I can use elytra very smoothly. बहुत अच्छे से मैं यूज़ कर ले रहा हूँ. तुम लोग समझ जाओगे जल्दी करना. बस थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस लगेगा, ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस लगेगा, क्योंकि ये हार्ड नहीं है. मतलब ये ज़्यादा भी हार्ड नहीं है, बट बहुत इजी भी नहीं है. गोल गोल घूमे, वो स्पीड स्लो कर देता है. और देखिए जितना था उतना ही है, हार्ड स्टार्टिंग जितना. तो बाय, टेक केयर. द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल बी अपलोडेड वेरी सून.